I'm just going to do a little quick tutorial on the new Kenny Chesney song, Noise. It's a pretty simple song. You just saw the video of me playing it, so you can hear how it kind of fits and kind of see strum pattern and chord progression a little bit easier. But all it is, there's 4 chords, or 3 chords in the whole song. A G, 4 chords. A G, an F, bar chord, a C, and an E. If you don't know how to play those, just go ahead and look them up. I'm not going to go through and explain them like I have in my other videos. But first off, we start with our G. So the chord progression in the beginning for the first 2 parts of the verse is G, G, F, C, and it starts that over G, G, F, C, and it goes into a little bridge which has an E and a C and a G. So I'll show you how to play those real quick, and then I'll show you how to do the strum pattern. Or I'll show you the strum pattern and I'll show you how to fit all that in. So the strum pattern, all I'm doing is I'm just kind of doing a lot of palm mutes. So it's usually palm mute on the downstroke, and then up I come and let it ring. Or sometimes, I add a little double in there. It's kind of hard to explain. I'll play it one more time, and you need to keep rewinding the video and see how to play it. Okay. Now, once you learn that, we can start playing the first verse. You learn the chord progression. You start with a G. So, like I said, you play the G twice, then the C, then the F, then the C, then you start over. Then G twice, F, C, and then you play a little bridge. And I'll show you that. So you start with the G. Wrecking balls downtown, construction, Bible breaking, jukebox buzzing, cardboard concepts. Lord is coming to big time. Rumors turn the mills back home. Parking lots, speakers blown. We didn't turn it on, can't turn it off. Sometimes I wonder, how did we get here? And that's where it went into the bridge right there. I didn't really explain that. So G, G, F, C. They start over G, G, F, C. Then it goes into the bridge. Sometimes I wonder, how did we get here? Seems like all we hear is noise. I kind of played that a little offbeat. But then after you've got the verse down, we're gonna go to the chorus here, and all the chorus is a G, F, G, F, C, G. So G, and you play these a little longer each. F, G, F. You go G, F, G, F. You do that twice, and then you go C, G. Okay, so it goes. You scream, you shout, so we don't have a voice in the streets, in the crowds, ain't nothing but noise. Drowning out all the dreams of this Tennessee boy, just trying to be heard in all of this noise. So start over G, don't have a voice, and then we say in the streets, in the crowds, ain't nothing but noise. Now we go back to the G, drowning out all the dreams of this Tennessee boy. Back to F, trying to be heard. C, all of this and all of this. And then you can figure out the strumming on the chorus. You can either do, the no palm mutes, scream, shout till we don't have a voice in the streets and crowds. It ain't nothing but noise, drowning out. So, that's all it is. You can do the let it ring, or you can. I still like to add some palm mutes in there. Yeah, we scream, yeah, we shout till we don't have a voice in the streets and the crowd. It ain't nothing but noise, drowning out all the dreams of this Tennessee boy, just trying to be heard in all this noise. Then you can look up if you Google noise chords. Noise by Kenny Chesney chords, and it gives you the chord progression and lyrics, which makes it a lot easier to play. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps some of y'all.